This 2021 Winnebago View 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features a Harmony, taupe, call walnut with white cabinets interior, sleeps 6, DVD player, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, microwave, air conditioning, awning, oven, external shower, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, full wall slide, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2021 Winnebago View 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.